Just do that, all right? Call him.
I will.
Do it like that. Yeah. Then give him a mouth. Get it head first, right? Watch him crush the skull. See, he's going to bite the head now. And once he's bit the head, he knows it's not dead. Tell him, Daniel, today. Yes, that is. See? Now.